Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 93. Haraboji. Haraboji. This pronounced as a 4-syllable word. The first syllable is hal, second syllable is a, third syllable is bo, and fourth syllable is ji. Pronounce it with me. Haraboji. Again, it's haraboji. What is the meaning of the word haraboji? This is the Korean term for grandpa or grandfather. Again, haraboji means grandpa. How do we write haraboji in Hangul? It is composed of 4 syllables. For the first syllable, hal, we need to drop first a hi character, followed by an a character, followed by a real character. For the second syllable, a, we need to drop first a no sound or placeholder iyang, followed by an a character. For the third syllable, bo, we need to draw first a beep character, followed by an o character. And then for the last syllable, ji, we need to draw first a ji character, followed by an e character. So that's 4 syllables in all. We have hal, a, bo, ji. And if we read it as a whole, it becomes haraboji. If you remember, the term for father is aboji, and it becomes grandfather by adding hal at the beginning. So just remember that it's also haboji with hal at the beginning, and it becomes grandpa. And with that, you've just learned haraboji. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 83 to 92. But don't forget our word for today, word number 93, it's haraboji, which means grandpa. The first word for our review is nuku, which means who. Next word is Saranghae, which means world. Next word for our review is molla, which means I don't know. Next word is moruda, which means not to know. Next word is we, and this is used to ask why. Next word for our review is Joesonghamnida, and this is a formal way of saying congratulations. Next word is otoke, and it is used to ask how. Next word is otokhe, and this is used to say what to do. Next word is odi, and this is used to ask where. And the last word for our review is word number 83, it's akka, which means a while ago today. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.